how to delete GCash account. So if you want to delete GCash account, then open up your browser and then simply go and search for delete GCash. And here you will have delete or close your GCash account on the first. You just need to simply go with the GCash Help Center and it will take you to delete or close your account. And once you're here you will have an option of click here to file a request. Click on that option and it will take you to this kind of page where you just need to simply enter your email address and then your GCash registered full name and your country where you registered your GCash account, and then the mobile number with the country code and your account type. You can simply choose your account type from the drop down bar. And then why are you deleting this account? You just need to simply choose a reason why you would like to delete. So you can simply choose any one of these reasons. And you need to share what happened, or you can add another information about the concern. And you can also upload a photo or attachment that can help GCash Help Center to assist you with your concern. And once you enter all of these information, you just need to simply go with submit. And after submitting, your account will be deleted. So that's how you can delete your GCash account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.